athi ngithuthe labangane enginabo ngizothini ngizobafonela ngithi emergency or ekau boy nangu utsho kwamulana ntwana athi mina bengiyomgangela this weekend so kawucela umtshele ukuthi this weekend bengini ngidlekini this whole weekend and this whole weekend mina bengisilele la until the whole weekend bengilakithi vele ikwatisi
nami noma sekuthiwa awuthiya mama ngakubhalisa ngizobhalisa boy ngakubhalisa hayi
ubhalisa ini bengini the whole weekend so amtshele la yangithola uzongishathenile ntwana kamtshela
umngane oright ngikuteam Petrokas nebengekho nathi anizange ngabona TK since please mina TK kungekho nami mina ngifuna ube ngathi team Petrokas and TK 13 yani kungekho nami
uthi mina bengekho la hey watwathi mfethu mina bengiyozidala nabogelo watwathi mfana
kanjani ngathana ngoba olidwama ngifakazela nangu mama lapha phela bekakhona
ngicela umbuze la umama wakho gazo ngifakazela
mama uPetro bekangekho ukhona wena mfana wami ukhona bowula
what's good YouTube
Ingozi danger
it's your boy Petrosificationalism. I'm back again with another bang. So guys, I know I haven't been posting and I apologize to that guys, but there are some things that I'm doing aside, and I was sick I was sick na ibeng felizing tebusweni ngazi ama allergy or yini plus kuyabanda vele yabo so bengisalibele ngisihleleli I was cause like there's some things I'm doing, you feel me? So but there will be a structure now of content about good like each Mama Monday uzophuma video kanje every Monday and then Mama every Wednesday phuma video kanje every Sunday phuma video kanje yabo kunezinto engisazi like inside brainstorm yabo I want to give you guys like quality content yeah and okay let's going to explain a different separate video. This is not the case. You know what's happening today? I was chilling here near one let's see how as in I think to tell abangane enginabo ngibheke ukuthi amajita like azongibhekela so what I'm gonna say is ngizobafonela ngithi emergency or ekau boy ekau nangu utsho kwamulana ntwana athi mina bengiyomgangela this weekend so kawucela umtshele ukuthi this weekend bengini ngidlekini this whole weekend and this whole weekend mina bengisilele la until the whole weekend bengilakithi vele ngisilele angiphumanga because bengigula but now ngifuna ukubona if emergency amazongo.
Everybody want to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
So azongicover kids isibheke ukuthi singaqala mana hope nani ma chance niphendule phone.
Friends, you may be shocked, but check this out. This is what success looks like in real time. These are my results for today, and it's all thanks to Pranav software. I won't talk too much, I won't say much, but let me show you. Right now I have the Pranav system in my hands. It predicts that the multiplier will reach 6.08x. So I'm gonna place it at $10 and I auto cash out at 5.30. Boom! I made $55 in a single game. This is insane. Let's try again. Now I'm risking $50 to an auto cash out of 4.90x and a multiplier 5.90. Another week, $259.70 in my pocket. You see, the system works flawless. Hundreds already changed their life with this software. Don't miss out. Pranav shares it only on Telegram. You don't have Telegram? Can get it now. Click the link, message him and grab the software free. Hundreds are already winning big. Don't get left behind. Click the link and follow the steps and start earning now.
Man, just big again. Okay, athi siqale ngothabanga spend ne yathi ngishaya ngevoice call. Yo, atade nge-Wi-Fi uzongibhayizisa yazi. Damn. Khethi ngibheke. Khethi Suzuruni. Sure, boy. Grand boy.
I'm not, Jack.
Yeah, mfana kaw. So kaw yazi ugelwa mfethu nangu lapha phambi kwami ne. Kaw uthi mina bengiyomfebela this weekend uyangiphikisa lanani. Kangiyamtshela ukuthi kaw bengigidlekini. Bengagidlanga kini kaw this weekend.
Buda sinukile.
Bengiva kaw.
Buda kwapha.
How much uyangiphikisa yini mfethu uthi mina hey kaw like bengekho mfethu the whole weekend. Ngiyamtshela ngithi bengabo runi mfethu like besilibele sidlala iPS the whole weekend mfethu kaw. Awumtshele lapho kaw. Awumtshele umamela. Mtshele boy.
Makoti ungamenzi kanti tophule mfethu.
How athi mina bengimfebela.
Kanti nifika kanjani lapho?
Kaw lo muntu lona mfethu angazi mfethu ngibuze ukuthi bengiva this weekend because of this weekend angimbizanga watwatha. Ngithane mina mfethu benginabo runi besidlala iPS mfethu. Manje uthi nginamanga leswa ngokufonela.
Makoti besidlala iPS bekasezandleni yesi. Akhuleka ngeke yenze into enjani.
How? Yeah. How? Kaw. Otherwise Jayam hayi.
Mnandi ka.
Yeah, real one macala iprank bengukuchecka ukuthi unebhekela.
Awuleka ukhabathile. Ayazi ngekuvalele ngaphandle ka.
Na pede.
Usefuna charge?
Yeah, charge ngisayifuna kaw yazi mangizoza baqeda ukushoot. Otherwise cha runi.
Yeah, kaphe ngizoletha ngabo 5 ke ka.
Afid, sure. We're gonna put up online. Sure, kaw. Grand put. Yo, put mfethu kaw. Ngicela ehlisa la volume ngikuzwa grand.
Kambani khuluma.
Yehlisa pho ngiyacela.
Yeah.
Yehlisa ezini like cima.
Kambani, okay, ngicima.
Yeah, cima ntana ngoba yazi le ndaba serious. Hayi, yo. Ngasengikhathele. Eputi.
Yeah.
Cima inhleke. Yeah, lacaba kwenzakalani kaw?
Kambani.
Ngicangino ish. Ngalesi sami mfethu. Siyangilwisa ntwana ne. Kaw sithi mina like this weekend isibali bengiyosifebela kaw. Ha. Kaw sithi mina bengikanga this weekend. Hey. Ngiyamtshela ngithi mina bengabondambula kaw. Uyangithola? Kaw. No mfethu yimfethu angithola. Uyangiphikisa ntwana uthini?
Awuthi ngimuzwa khuluma.
Na thatha. Akafuni isibale kamtshele ntwana. Usikwathisile.
Ntwana noma sekuthiwa awuthiyama bakakubhalisa ngizokubhalisa boy. Akubhalisa hayi.
Ubhayisa ini?
Ukuphi wena?
Bengini. Dambula.
Ukithi.
Kandambula ka bengini musa. Besimama namajita ka kwenzakalani manje? Kanjani mfethu bengini mfana ka uyacaba usibizile musaba ne boys night. Ka nanku ukwatile ugelwa manje mfethu uthini manje ntambula ka uphika ngini.
Yeke lushama prank ntwana moli ikhathi ama prank ukudala kanje.
Ukhuluma ngani mfethu ngithi mina bengiva this weekend. Bengekho kini this weekend.
Ayamazi boy.
Ha.
Ngiyabuza.
Bengini na uyacaba musa ntambula ngimoshela.
Ntwana ngongekho kithi.
Ha.
Balisa unamanga. Uphebela kanjani? Nami ngivumelana naye ntwana mayi.
So kaw Ntwana, mamela, the only reason ngifonele la ukumbonisa ukuthi kaw besiblome sonke namajita mfethu. Besingablomanga sonke kanti kini Ntambula wenzani manje mfethu?
Boy. Besiblome sonke.
How? Angithi ngagidla kini the whole weekend.
Yeah.
How? Manje wabophika kaw.
Khuleka ngidlalela.
Hamtshele mfana ukuthi kaw besiblome sonke. How?
Awuthi ngimuzwe ekhuluma qala.
Ukwatile mfethu. Uzokhuluma kanjani akwatile?
Hayi angazokwata yo.
Angithi uwe sokhuluma ukuthi mina bengekho kini and mina ngimtshelile ukuthi bengini. Ngimtshela ivako wena umtshela amanga.
Oh, hade boy.
How? So bengiva ke this weekend tona ngivaka.
Mbonga yini?
How? Besenzani?
Besiblomile nje shama games night.
Yangithola. How? Yeah. Otherwise Ntambula it's a prank. Wena Ntambula wena. Ay.
Ntwana yami. Ngihlakanipile boy.
Hayi wena bozo wena J wena Ntambula ukho right wena.
Ngitshele benge ngipayisa caba ngizwe ngani ukuthi break.
God.
Nangithi akakhulume. Wangakhuluma.
Hayi.
Akubuye bekakhulumi ngabe ngingipayisise ntwana yami bengeke.
Maka kuyafana bokubhazisilo anibheka kwateka amampela.
Ngiyaqaba kanti ukuthi break.
Hayi.
Ngini lapho.
Afele Ntambula. Fede Ntambula.
Sobona ngiyaqaba ukuthi break boy.
Afele boy sharp. Guys namuzwa kuNtambula. uNtambula uyongichisisa. uNtambula. Na Ntambula. Hey. Thinga uzuthi yo thitha upho online ntwana yami ngoba ngiva ngina airtime ntwana ngilifonela nonke ngedatha not ngedatha ngeWi-Fi ayi wena vela una why ngicabangela ukuthi uthi unedatha ntwana hlala offline vela wow sisibheka uGhost yena ama uGhost kuzoba scarce ukuthi aphendule Sportman Ghost ayizoba scarce le ntwana le ama kanye unokuphendula yena sithenga msukela umntana abantu You okay? Hey boy. Alright boy.
Nani boy itsa.
Ke mang buang mo? Oh, ka nango kupalisa ka. Nango kupalisa ka. Ay. Twan, yang Luisa yimfezi. Athi mina sibale this weekend bengisidala mfethu yabo bengiyosidala. So no, into engimtshela wena. Ngiyamtshela ngithi hayi ne mina bengikabo Ghost. Uyangithola? The whole weekend isawumtshele la. Uyangithola? Uzongishathenile ntwana kamtshele mfethu uqwa. Mtshele la. Bengivala this weekend. Neriyetsang? Thank you. For how many days? Can you tell how many days? Grand.
How many days?
Yeah. Angit bengihleli in the whole weekend. Bengahlalang in the whole weekend.
3 days. We said 3 days, right? The whole weekend.
Yeah, 3 days the whole weekend. Angit bekunabo girl da ka.
Oh yeah.
Bekunabo girl.
Ngekho.
Hawu ngicela umtshele ntwana ngicela umtshele.
Amantombazana balesho uya.
Thank you boy. Hawu akangibelieve yi. Hawu. Hawu yangisukela. Enye into futhi mngani wami. I-prank nemngani wami hayi you are a real one. Awatshela ba-subscribe lapho ntwana yami. Oh yeah, but I'm sure. Fedi Ghost. Ithi sizosithina ngoba uceda ukuthi ungifonela nongibhizi no Ghost. Boy, ekanango ke mfethu kanye ugrand njami.
Ngamnandi yazi wena.
Yeah, mnandi mfethu ubheka mfethu sithina kawo. Yo, kanango ke la mangilwisa mfethu nampalisa ngilwisa mfethu yabo. Mfethu uthi mina bengisidala this weekend mfethu. Ngiyamtshela ngithi naye mina bengabo sithela ka the whole weekend cela umtshele.
Tona pale sala.
Ka a batlile o bua no mfethu o rena ka o sikwatisile ka mfethu ka uthi mina ka bengisidala mfethu awumtshela ukuthi ka besigine and besithunane and bebangekho abogela ngicela umtshela
Izwa.
sure bantwana once
Angafuna uphinde ukushaye ngebomb nami.
ukushaya ngebomb na ushaya wonke umuntu ngebomb ngicela umtshela
Since isiblomile iyo vyase ngithi udlile iyo akohlwetha utabatsa line up wangithola. So yeah. Since isiblomile iyo vyase ashabela ku YouTube nyana kublomu too. Nothing much.
thank you mfethu umshwetse ka o ring ka ke plomile that the whole weekend
Yeah, kublomu wamtama kwathi bahliza utlayiwa blomu.
ha mfethu active le nna wa mfethu no ka a re ka ha ke ne ke na le banyana nna ka o re na ne ke na le banyana mfethu ke maketse le nna hai otherwise tsane ka stila ka ya mshwetse da ka sa kwata
Santana pale Santana sakwa.
how hey otherwise ke prank ntana ka now you are a real one mpeka zonke ezigrand nesiphayisayo otherwise mngani wami mnandi tako okay tsena okay hayi real one tsena athi check up ngiyazi ngifuna uAvis Avis ngiyakutshela yo Avis athi if makabamba ifone leya izothi ha bonami unama Avis yo etara yacela ubamba ifone pho ngiyacela bamba ifone ka phela ngimfonela nginsi boy uyangizwa ka
Ngiyakuzwa ndithi ngifuna ukuba ku-podcast yeGqoka Kuzwakala.
Kana ka wahlala ucabanga izinto esidom boy like njalo
Khamba.
ka kwenzakalani mfethu so singinalese sami singikwatele ka Avis ka sithi mina this weekend bengiyosigangela mfethu ngiyamtshela ngithi hayi mfethu mina benginabo Avis cela umtshele mfana
Nani mazi ugelo wakho ufuna simthini shema.
kanjani manje
No, as in like kwamele sihlezi simxelele kanti wayangakuthembi uma umxelela because ngokuzoba ngathi nathi siyabhekela masivuma because benithile ukuthi sihalela isikopho masibuye Midrand siye sadlula kuyo. Ngokumanje itsho izoba ngathi into planning uyayibona.
no phela mina ungibuza ukuthi ka the whole weekend bengivaka ngiyamtshela ngithi ha no sigcine sesigidla ngada Mountain View ka umtshela
Umniki phone ke ndimxelele.
akafuni ukuthatha ifone uyalaha akafuni ukuthatha ifone
Yeah, man, uzoba right man Petrogas. Buza nomadumani she ngifaka ndimbi mina because sesabuya nasibuye Midrand sadlula kube kungokuthi ubuya elentuzene 4. Man buza ngenye.
yeah
Yima wo. Ndiyazazi izinto ngifuna uba umngane oright ngikuteam Petrogas. Mina bengekho nathi andizange ndambona uTK since. Please mina TK kungekho nami mina ngifuna ube ngathi team Petrogas and TK Thethinyani kungekho nami.
boy benginawo wenzani manje benginawo nes
Hayi sifake isithuthi sakho xabathisa noPetrogas andiyazi ukuphi Thethinyani xa ngedlanga nathi.
mantana neserious note yabo ntana uzongitampisa ka Avis ka wenza kanjani manje besigidle kini musi
Mountain View jani sise-Midrand. Hayi.
angithi obviously sibuye Midrand bonibuye Midrand nangithatha ngithi sabasa Mountain View Tanulahani
Imali baka-club yeGqoka Kuzwakala ngifuna ukuthenga liyashadisa.
ntana boy ngePhoca Kuzwakala ntana ngikhuluma indaba eserious igawo
Hey man, TK man different rules lethu ezibhayibhalini size sizobona.
manje ubhalisa ngithambe nosibala wena Avis ukhuluma izinto engazazi ka ucava kren ukuthi besigidle Grand Mountain View the whole weekend isidlala iPlayStation kwenzakalani manje
Yimo wadropi.
awufaka uladuma da umede da because of ngiyakhumbula isitrigger akangibelieve
eyandithi into endiyenzayo
yenze boy hayi khathele mina
into endiyenzayo ingcono ndithi andithi ngokuthi ziyazelaphi mna nezinto zakho
into zami ziphi manje
ezamaprank kaloku wenza izinto ezinto ziyazelaphi
Kawukhuluma ngani mfethu mina ngifonele ngoba i-out yami ende benginawe so nongifuna ukawukelwa amacaba mfethu
yima man akayibambi ifoni lo
akayibambi
yima wo
amzame boy kunzima kaw muntu kakangibelieve isibali
hey man muskini ayiveli mos relaxa ithuzokufonela ngo-WhatsApp noma du
ngani
zokufonela ngo-WhatsApp ngizomfonela ngithi ku-WhatsApp
afile ke njani makuna flop sure AVs oh ithi sifonela uMathatha ne boy kwenzakalani uyangibona kwenzakalani ngescreen sami ekathi ngisuse iscreen ekabheka mamela mfethu ne ekaw bheka mfethu kaw nangiphalisa ngiphikisa imfethu kaMathatha kaw this weekend isibale bengekho nani da kaw konje besiva boy
kaw
da kini mfana le kaw noyangiphika isibale sokuthi eFreedom Park lapho ka uthi mina bengekho da watwati mfethu mina bengiyozidala nabogelo watwati mfana
kanjani mathana nangu ma-oleni wami ngakufakazela nangu umama wami lapha phela bekukhona
ngicela umbuze da umamakho kazo ngifakazela
mama uPetro bekangekho ukhona wena mfana wami ukhona bowula
danki mama hawu uyangiphikisa uthi mina ngazi bengiyindaweni zami watwati ngiyamtshela ngithi abenginabo uMathatha mina hawu uyezwa manje yo hayi usashaya ibhomu hayi hayi simnandi ndenginto mngani wami hayi uyayirelwani lokuyiprank bengukutesta hayi fedi fedi ngiyakuzwa ntwana yami hayi ngizokushayela iround nemngani wami ngiyeza ngithi awukabuyi this week this week during the week during the week no ngizokushayela iround mngani wami nethi ngiphande fast otherwise abe ngitest loyalty hayi ukhona nawe emandleni danko boy hayi abantu bangilahisa mafethu athi sizuba nobuyi because of ngibona abantu bangitest sisuthi usmile so smile ileyo smash or pass ne angamboni but ngizombuza ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi yena uzothini athi suzu poison ngimnandi smile mfana kayo nasese sami mfethu yiga sangilisa yangithola sithi mina bengiyozidala this weekend watwat ngiyamtshela ngithi hayi mina mfethu benginabo smile mfana the whole weekend kaw yangithola so lokho ngithi bekuyimi engiphethe icamera kaw da so apha yila ushoot ismash pass so ngiyamtshela ukuthi ane mfethu yimi mfethu kaw benginawo nongicela umtshele sibala umconfirmele hawu mfethu angazi nami kwenzakalani mfana ngicela umtshele ukwatile no abanye yabona bakukwathe akafuni nanokukhuluma sibala mtshele ntana ukuthi besonke mfanele senzeni the whole weekend ngaze ngabuya grand Monday
Monday Katine abuye ntsumi.
Kitsa akatsamaya Friday.
Uhambe Friday kana yami nesonke.
Thank besenzani da?
Shoot content yazi ntana yami ngithi yona every weekend ngihlezi ngishuta ngithi.
Thank mfethu. Manje mfethu angazi ka wenzani mfethu. Ay kangazi mfana.
Eish ayinanike ungijolo nama trust issues.
Eish.
Ngiyagowa angayenzi so.
Hawu kamtshele benginani ntwana.
Hawu. Khale amalahena reshuta content kofela.
Thank you.
Big City as men's conference.
Thank you. No women akiri.
Yes.
Ngisho no Thamelon bekangekho na cabanga.
Ngekho vele.
How?
No girls.
No girls, strictly boys angithi.
Men's conference baba.
How? Thank you boys man. Thank you. How?
Big.
Thank you mfethu man. Hawu ngiyabonga mfana wami. Bekuyiprank mfana. Hayi, nawe esho ukuthi yani na ngiyokufaka kule list yalama wabangani bami laba. Ukufaka kule list abangani bami abagrade. Yakuthola. Nami ngokucheck otherwise Tanja yami. Bless. Yo, it's actually go think confirm it if you think they go umuntu ayabantu banamanga yo. Sisuzubhela. Yo, I hope aphendule mfana. Yo. Yo, abantu bafuna ngibafonele ngetime. Okay, now Avis no Avis kusasa Avis no laduma laba abathe bazongifonela. Jens. Mfana. Nango ke mfethu kapalisa mfethu uthi mina bengisendaweni zami kawe. Lahan. Tanan lahan Jens ngisirasa. Anga mfethu uzwe ka ngabantu mfethu ukuthi mina bengiyozidala la bengikhona bekunabo gele mina bengimambile abogele abayi5 what so no ngithi na mina benginamajita wami mina abenginamajita wami the whole weekend lathi umancane imtshele ukwatile mfethu usikwatisile iya akafuni nokungibheka nami so singenza kanje ngiyazi ukuthi at least uzonizwa sekazi ukuzokuzoya ngaka ukuthi usaqhubeka usangigwadela okwenzakalana
ukwatela itela ngoba masisambile saphuma isikoko futhi masibuya
Kaw mfethu kaw bengagidlanga ntwana Diamond View ka the whole weekend bekunabo gelda
abogele kanjani khona bazalibamba
Danko mfethu kaw la kuyangiphikisa mfethu mina ngisazi ntwana yami but kafele ngiyabonga mfethu sengizokhuluma naye kahle enye into futhi yazi why singathembani cause nami ngifuna ukubona if nina ngizonithemba otherwise iprank yonke le ngizoyibona ku YouTube that I just saw support yeah when I if at least you winile nyani uthani mina andazi ke buphi khuluma inyani thetha inyani andazi ngize banda uyangipayisa ndoda hallo mjitso wenzani